Okay children, let us start with chapter 2, class 7th, that is fractions. But before that we must have little bit understanding about integers. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. Five minus 7 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 3 will be added. First of all, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. That is, we will remember the rule of board mass also. Board mass, that is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Before subtracting we should add first of all, and we will add the numbers which we will have same sign, like 5 and 3 both are having plus sign, so they will be added first, and minus n will be written as it is, then 1 will be written after subtraction. Clear? So this knowledge we must have before doing this chapter, that is fractions. Now first of all, about fraction. Now we will start the chapter fraction. So what is fraction? A number written in the form of numerator upon denominator is called fraction. That is a part of the whole. A part of the whole is called fraction. For example, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 7, fractions. Next is types of fractions. Types of fractions. 1. Like fractions. Fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 3 upon 11, 7 upon 11, 6 upon 11, because they are having same denominator, so they are called like fractions. Unlike fractions, fractions which are not having same denominator. Or in other words, we can say that fractions which are not like, they are called unlike fractions. For example, 5/7, 2/3, 1/5. The next is proper fractions. Fractions having numerator less than denominator are called proper fraction. For example, 3/7, 5/6, 1/3, 2/5. So in all the cases you can see that numerator is smaller than denominator. So these are called like fractions. Sorry, proper fractions. You can remember these proper fraction with the help of a picture, that is the picture of a pitcher. Picture of a pitcher. It is placed in a proper way because it is having smaller part upside and bigger part is downward. That is why it is placed in proper way. So similarly, proper fraction, smaller part up, bigger part down. So remember this picture of pitcher in your mind when you are selecting proper fraction or improper fraction. Next is improper fraction. Improper fractions, fractions which are not proper, are called improper fraction. For example, 6/5, 3/2, 6/6, 9/4. So these are improper fractions. So remember, only improper fractions can be changed into mixed fraction. So what are mixed fractions? Mixed fractions fractions which are mixture of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 3 and 1/2. This 3 is whole number and 1/2 is proper fraction. So 3 and 1/2, that is called mixed fraction. 5 and 2/3, 7 and 6/11. So this is the type of improper mixed fractions. So how we convert an improper fraction into mixed fraction? Conversion. Suppose I have a number 7/2. To convert this number into mixed number or mixed fraction, we will put 2 outside. Denominator will always come outside. Denominator will always come outside and numerator will go inside. Whether it is big or small, always remember that denominator will always come outside. 2 3 are 6, remainder 1. So now to write it in mixed fraction, here we will write the quotient, remainder and divisor, that is 3 and 1/2. Quotient, remainder and divisor to write an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Next is equivalent fractions. Very important for the examination point of view. Many questions can be framed on equivalent fractions. Fractions having same reduced form are called equivalent fractions. For example, 1/3, 2/6, 3/9, 4/12, 5/15. So you can see that every fraction is having same reduced form. This is 1/3, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 1/3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 1/3, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 1/3, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 1/3. So every fraction is having same reduced form. That is why it is called equivalent fractions. One more property, cross multiplication. Cross multiplications of two fractions is also same. Like if we take these two fractions, 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, cross. If you take this fraction and this fraction, this is 5/15, 2/6, 6 5 ja 30, 15 2 ja 30. So cross multiplications of the number is also same in case of equivalent fractions. So we can check whether these numbers are equivalent fractions or not by doing the cross multiplication also. One important question, that is 5/15 is equal to box upon 20. So this equal to shows that these two are equivalent fraction. This equal to. Now how we will find out the number in the box? We will take the help of the second property, that is cross multiplication. We will do multiplication 5 multiply 20 is equal to 15 multiply box, that is box multiply 15. And because we want to find out the value in box, so we will keep it here, shift the 15 to this side, 5 multiply 20, and because it is multiplying over here, it will go in the division here. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. So 20/3 will come in the box. Take one more example, that is the easy one. Suppose here it is 72. Again we will do in the same way by cross multiplication. 5 multiply 72 box multiply 15. Take the box on the right hand side and 15 to be shifted to this side. 5 3 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 24, 3 4 ja 12, 24 is equal to box. So answer will be 5 upon 50 is equal to 24 in the box upon 72. So the next type of fraction is complex fractions. When in the numerator there is fraction and in the denominator there is also fraction, then we will say that this is complex fraction. Or in the numerator there is fraction, in the denominator there is simple number 5, then also it is complex fraction. Or in the numerator there is simple number and in the denominator there is fraction, then also it is complex fraction. The question is how we solve these complex fractions. So to solve these complex fractions, what we will do? Numerator multiply reciprocal of denominator. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 5 upon 2 answer. Numerator multiply reciprocal of denominator. Now there is 1 below 5. So reciprocal of 5 upon 1 is 1 upon 5. 5 cancel, 1 by 2 answer. Now here in the numerator there is 1 below 5. So this is 5 upon 1 multiply reciprocal of denominator. That is 15 upon 2. Convert in the mixed fraction. It will be 7 and 1 by 2. By taking 2 outside and 15 inside. That I have told you earlier how to change improper fraction into mixed fraction. That's all for today.